What if I told you there was a moment in Earth's past where everything, our skies, oceans, and even life itself, was nearly wiped out? This is the story of the time Earth almost lost its atmosphere forever. In the beginning, Earth's surface was molten. The planet was bombarded by massive space rocks called planetesimals. Each impact shook the planet, and one of them changed everything. Scientists believe a planet called Theia slammed into the young Earth. The collision was so violent, it blasted molten rock into orbit, eventually forming our moon. But that impact did more than create the moon. It nearly stripped Earth of its atmosphere. For a moment, Earth was teetering between being a living world and becoming just another dead rock like Mars or Mercury. But somehow, miraculously, our gravity held on to enough gas. Volcanoes rebuilt the atmosphere, one eruption at a time. Steam turned to rain, rain to oceans, and life, tiny and fragile, began to rise. If Earth had lost just a bit more, you wouldn't be watching this video. The next time you look at the sky, remember how close we came to losing it. When Earth almost lost its breath. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic science stories.